everyone, it's me again, Nestle. So for today's video, guys, we gonna do a unboxing, a package what we received from Lazada. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, but I hope it is. So we're gonna unboxing a tablet from Lazada. So yeah, it is. And then I bought this one for just 1,678, and then plus the shipping fee 121, so it totally cost like 1,799 pesos. So we're gonna start unbox this. So by the way, guys, this tablet is with free power bank. So here it is, the power bank. So medyo nag-crack yung part here, but it's okay. So let's try to open. Sammy is so noisy outside. He's playing with his cousin. So yeah. So looks like this, and with this small cord. So look at this part, guys. So yeah, so it is free power bank. So let's move on with this tablet. So naka-sealed siya here. So i-open natin. So let's open. Mahirap i-open. Nakikita nyo, so ito yung tablet. Ito yung tablet. Tapos ito yung headset niya. Tapos ito yung yung sa charger, yung mga cords niya. And then yung charger again. So this one, I think it's for the laptop. You can connect it on the laptop, guys. So with this one, I think this is an extra cord. Ayan. But let's try this later. Let's try this later after ma-open natin yung tablet. Okay? So let's open. I order color gold. So eto, it's pink. Joke. It's gold, but pink here at the back. So I don't know if you can see good. Yes, that's it. So meron siyang something like a manual. So let's open this. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! Okay, it's cute. So let's turn it on. Sa ganyan. Naka-on na siya. So let's wait. Android. Ayan na, guys. So na-open na siya na. So it's open already. And then so you can put SIM card here. So wala pa siyang SIM card, and also wala pa siyang memory card. But I have a memory card over there. Tapos, itatry natin if gagana siya or magiging okay ba yung quality ng tablet na to or hindi. Kasi all I know, it's not really a famous brand kind of tablet, but let's see if this is really worth the price o hindi. Okay? So, lalagyan ko siya ng memory, and then, memory lang siguro muna. Yeah. So, itatry ko siya. So, I'll be right back. So, eto na guys, nalagyan ko na siya ng SIM, ito yung SIM, this is for SIM card, and this one for memory card. So, nalagyan ko na siya, but I don't have extra SIM card right now, so hindi ko siya malalagyan. So, maybe ito-try ko later sa SIM card ko. Tapos, ito-try natin. So, let's try kung later na. So, let's try kung gagana ba yung saan ba to? Paano ba to? Para medyo hard to touch siya, guys. Medyo okay. So, SD card is ready. So, isa-set up lang natin. Alright. So, let's try to connect in Wi-Fi. Kung gagana ba, let's try. So, let's go to, hindi ko pa alam eh. Maybe settings. Oh, yeah. So, let's go to the settings. Tapos, maghanap tayo ng Wi-Fi. Maki-Wi-Fi tayo. Alright, so let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Ayan. So, we were connected already in the Wi-Fi. So, let's go to, paano ba to guys? Hala, ano yan? I don't really know how to use this. Okay, so first thing na which is first thing na masasabi ko sa tablet na to is I was really thinking na mata-touch ko siya right here. So dito pala dapat sa screen mo i-touch, not unlike to the Android phones na you can touch over here. Like 3 here in the down over there, but you need to touch here on the screen. So let's go to Google let's try to Google if mabilis ba yung pag-connect dito. So let's try to search butterfly. Ayan. Dun. So far guys, okay naman yung mag-search ka sa Google. Medyo mabilis naman, but for the camera, malabo siya kasi what we are expecting for the price, right? So, kaya ko to nabili because I just need a second phone or tablet that na magagamit ko siya while I'm editing a video, so I can log in my Facebook here or Messenger kasi ginagamit ko for vlogging is only my phone, so medyo sumusuko na ng kaunti yung phone ko sa akin. So ayun. So, I think for me, this is worth the price kasi you can put a dual SIM card here at the back, and then may free pa siyang power bank. So, itatry natin ngayon yung power bank niya if gumagana ba o hindi. So, let's try. Okay. So, naka-on na. And then, it's charging. So, nakikita nyo guys, it's charging there. So, nag-charging siya. Ay, ba't nawala? Ano nangyari? What happened? So, nag-charge siya guys, pero biglang nawala agad. So, tinry ko siya ulit. I think may problema yung cord nila. Ayan, so it's charging again, tapos biglang nawawala. Wala. Okay, so itatry natin kung gumagana ba yung charger niya o sira din. So, eto yung charger, and then may extra cord sila, guys. So, I think pwede nating magagamit to for power bank. So, itatry natin kung sira din ba to o hindi, o magagamit ba o hindi. Ayan. Baliktad. Okay. So, let's try with this one. Ay, ba't ganun? Okay. Ayan. So, it's charging at hindi siya nawawala kaagad. So, good thing na may pinadala silang another cord kasi yung this one ay I think sira na to. Sira. Okay, whatever. Sira. And then, this one is the charger. So, let's try this charger. Naka-connect siya. Okay. So, let's try. So, isasaksak ko lang. And then, I'm gonna show you. So, ayan guys. So far, nag-charge naman siya. And then, okay naman. Me, this is really worth the price. So, if you guys like this video, so don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, so it's me again, Nestle. And welcome to my channel. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.